Anandavardhan is famous Sanskrit critic who has used the term Dhwani in his theory. The primary text which deals with Dhwani in Dhanyaloga of Anandavardhan. He presumed to have lived in 19th century AD. In the very first verse of Dhanyaloga, it is mentioned that Dhwani or suggestion is the soul of poetry. So just keep a note of it. Anandavardhan suggested Dhwani is the soul of poetry. He believed that the Dhwani is applied to suggestive poetry. Dhwani suggests verbal meaning, hidden meaning. So the definition of Dhwani means such a poetry in which the words and their literal meaning occupy a subordinate position and suggest some charming sense, such as we are using the figurative language, the figure of speech of or an emotion is called Dhwani. Once again, Dhwani means such a poetry in which the words and their literal meaning occupy a subordinate position and suggest some charming sense is called Dhwani. We have three kind of Kavya according to Anandavardhana. Number one, Uttama Kavya. Number two, Madhyama Kavya. And number three, Adham Kavya. So the functions of poetry, the threefold functions, one is Abhidha, Lakshana, Vyanjana. Abhidha consists in the literal meaning of the expression. Lakshana consists in the external characteristics of the expression, which are indicative of something deeper. And Vyanjana involves the meaning, what is suggested or hinted. We know that the emotion can be expressed in words and cannot be communicated directly to the reader. What the poet can and does express are only the causes and results of the emotion, that is, the situation in which the emotion is manifested. When the content of the poem is emotion or bhava, the method necessarily consists in suggested meaning, which is called Dhwani or Vyangyartha. So, conclusion, at last we can say that according to Dhanyaloga, Rasa Dhwani Kavya is considered to be beyond excellence poetry. This is a best theory given by Anandavardhan in literature. So many critics also criticize this theory. At last, the emotion cannot be expressed directly by words, but it can be suggestive.